Hello students. Today we will have a quiz on Chapter 10, the Human Digestive System. Read each question carefully, look at the options, and think of your answer before the timer runs out. Let's get started. What is the cell cycle? Option A, a sequence of events for cell growth and division. Option B, a process of DNA replication only. Option C, a method of cell repair. Option D, a phase of cell differentiation. The correct answer is a sequence of events for cell growth and division. What are the two basic phases of the cell cycle? Option A, interphase and M phase. Option B, G1 and S phase. Option C, prophase and metaphase. Option D, anaphase and telophase. The correct answer is interphase and M phase. What happens during the S phase of the cell cycle? Option A, DNA synthesis occurs. Option B, cell growth stops. Option C, cytokinesis begins. Option D, chromosomes are separated. The correct answer is DNA synthesis occurs. What is the duration of the M phase in a typical human cell cycle? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 1 hour. Option C, 90 minutes. Option D, 12 hours. The correct answer is 1 hour. What is the primary function of mitosis? Option A, cell growth. Option B, DNA replication. Option C, production of daughter cells. Option D, cell differentiation. The correct answer is production of daughter cells. What is karyokinesis? Option A, division of the cytoplasm. Option B, nuclear division. Option C, DNA replication. Option D, cell growth. The correct answer is nuclear division. What is cytokinesis? Option A, nuclear division. Option B, cytoplasmic division. Option C, DNA replication. Option D, cell growth. The correct answer is cytoplasmic division. During which phase do chromosomes align at the equator of the cell? Option A, prophase. Option B, metaphase. Option C, anaphase. Option D, telophase. The correct answer is metaphase. What is the role of spindle fibers during mitosis? Option A, to condense chromosomes. Option B, to separate chromatids. Option C, to replicate DNA. Option D, to form the nuclear envelope. The correct answer is to separate chromatids. What is the significance of the G1 phase? Option A, DNA replication occurs. Option B, cell grows and metabolically active. Option C, chromosomes condense. Option D, cytoplasm divides. The correct answer is cell grows and metabolically active. What occurs during anaphase? Option A, chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. Option B, chromosomes condense. Option C, nuclear envelope reforms. Option D. Chromosomes align at the equator. The correct answer is chromatids separate and move to opposite poles. What is the quiescent stage of the cell cycle? Option A. Active cell division. Option B. Resting phase with no cell division. Option C. Stage of DNA synthesis. Option D. Phase of cell growth. The correct answer is resting phase with no cell division. What is the main outcome of meiosis? Option A. 2 diploid cells. Option B. 4 haploid cells. Option C. 1 diploid cell. Option D. 2 haploid cells. The correct answer is 4 haploid cells. What is the significance of crossing over during meiosis? Option A. It increases genetic variability. Option B. It reduces chromosome number. Option C. It occurs only in mitosis. Option D. It prevents DNA replication. The correct answer is it increases genetic variability. Which phase of meiosis is characterized by the pairing of homologous chromosomes? Option A. Prophase I. Option B. Metaphase I. Option C. Anaphase I. Option D. Telophase I. The correct answer is prophase I. What is a bivalent in meiosis? Option A. A pair of homologous chromosomes. Option B. A single chromosome. Option C. A group of 4 chromatids. Option D. A type of spindle fiber. The correct answer is a pair of homologous chromosomes. What happens during telophase of mitosis? Option A. Chromatids separate. Option B. Nuclear envelope reforms. Option C. Chromosomes align at the equator. Option D. Spindle fibers disappear. The correct answer is nuclear envelope reforms. What is the role of the centrosome during mitosis? Option A. To condense chromosomes. Option B. To duplicate DNA. Option C. To move to opposite poles and form spindle fibers. Option D. To divide the cytoplasm. The correct answer is to move to opposite poles and form spindle fibers. What is the difference between mitosis and meiosis? Option A. Mitosis results in haploid cells, meiosis in diploid cells. Option B. Mitosis is equational division, meiosis is reduction division. Option C. Mitosis occurs only in plants, meiosis in animals. Option D. Mitosis has 2 phases, meiosis has 1. The correct answer is mitosis is equational division, meiosis is reduction division. What is the main purpose of interphase? Option A. Cell division. Option B. DNA replication. Option C. Cell growth and preparation for division. Option D. Chromosome separation. The correct answer is cell growth and preparation for division. What is the result of cytokinesis in animal cells? Option A. Formation of a cell plate. Option B. Formation of a cleavage furrow. Option C. No division occurs. Option D. Formation of a bivalent. The correct answer is formation of a cleavage furrow. What occurs during the G2 phase? Option A, DNA replication. Option B, cytoplasmic growth and preparation for mitosis. Option C, chromosome separation. Option D, pairing of homologous chromosomes. The correct answer is cytoplasmic growth and preparation for mitosis. What marks the end of prophase? Option A, chromosomes align at the equator. Option B, nuclear envelope breaks down. Option C, chromosomes condense. Option D, cytoplasm divides. The correct answer is nuclear envelope breaks down. What is the significance of meiosis in sexual reproduction? Option A, it produces identical cells. Option B, it restores diploid chromosome number. Option C, it increases cell size. Option D, it allows for genetic variation. The correct answer is, it allows for genetic variation. What is the outcome of meiosis II? Option A, 2 haploid cells. Option B, 4 haploid cells. Option C, 1 diploid cell. Option D, 2 diploid cells. The correct answer is 4 haploid cells. What happens during the anaphase of meiosis I? Option A, sister chromatids separate. Option B, homologous chromosomes separate. Option C, chromosomes align at the equator. Option D, nuclear envelope reforms. The correct answer is homologous chromosomes separate. What is the role of kinetochores during cell division? Option A, to condense chromatin. Option B, to attach spindle fibers to chromosomes. Option C, to separate chromatids. Option D, to form the nuclear envelope. The correct answer is to attach spindle fibers to chromosomes. What is the significance of mitosis in multicellular organisms? Option A, to produce gametes. Option B, to allow for growth and repair. Option C, to reduce chromosome number. Option D, to increase genetic variation. The correct answer is to allow for growth and repair. What is the primary difference between prophase I of meiosis and prophase of mitosis? Option A, prophase I has crossing over. Option B, prophase I is shorter. Option C, prophase I occurs in haploid cells. Option D, prophase I does not involve chromosome condensation. The correct answer is prophase I has crossing over. What is the outcome of telophase II in meiosis? Option A, 2 diploid cells. Option B, 4 haploid cells. Option C, 1 diploid cell. Option D, 2 haploid cells. The correct answer is 4 haploid cells. What is the role of recombinase during meiosis? Option A, to condense chromosomes. Option B, to facilitate crossing over. Option C, to separate chromatids. Option D, to replicate DNA. The correct answer is to facilitate crossing over. What is a key feature of metaphase II in meiosis? Option A, Chromosomes align at the equator. Option B. Homologous chromosomes pair. Option C. Crossing over occurs. Option D. Sister chromatids separate. The correct answer is chromosomes align at the equator. What is the term for the inactive stage of the cell cycle? Option A. G1 phase. Option B. G0 phase. Option C. S phase. Option D. M phase. The correct answer is G0 phase. What is the main purpose of the G1 phase? Option A. DNA replication. Option B. Cell growth and normal metabolism. Option C. Chromatid separation. Option D. Nuclear division. The correct answer is cell growth and normal metabolism. What happens to the DNA content during the S phase? Option A. It decreases. Option B. It remains the same. Option C. It doubles. Option D. It is halved. The correct answer is it doubles. What is the main function of meiosis in terms of chromosome number? Option A. To double the chromosome number. Option B. To maintain the chromosome number. Option C. To reduce the chromosome number by half. Option D. To increase the chromosome number. The correct answer is to reduce the chromosome number by half. What is the significance of the metaphase plate? Option A. It is where crossing over occurs. Option B. It is where chromosomes align for separation. Option C. It is where DNA replication occurs. Option D. It is where cytokinesis begins. The correct answer is, it is where chromosomes align for separation. What is the final outcome of mitosis? Option A. Two diploid daughter cells. Option B. 4 haploid daughter cells. Option C. 1 diploid daughter cell. Option D. 2 haploid daughter cells. The correct answer is 2 diploid daughter cells.